Oh yeah, today is the first time I ever worn lashes, false lashes. Do you like it? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Michou here. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my Morphe haul. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so first of all, if I look like I look like this and I looked like this from my previous video, is because I'm filming it from the same day. I'm sorry, I don't have the energy to change to another outfit. I'm very pregnant and I'm hot, and we're just gonna go with it, okay? Sorry about that. Anyways, this is my Morphe bag, and yeah, we're celebrating Morphe being in Hawaii for the very first time. So what I mean by that is this is the very first Morphe store in Hawaii. So yes, we're so excited. We always bought our Morphe products online before, so now we can go in store and buy it, and we're very excited. Anyways, so that is why I went in store. And also it is me and my husband's 6 years anniversary of dating each other, so that is why he gifted me a Morphe card and extra money to go and shop. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just gonna relax here and let's go. First thing I'm gonna share with you guys is this duo right here. This is the highlight and contour beauty sponge duo, and this is what I got. This is what I used today to do my face makeup and my concealer. So that's what I got. The second thing is actually this Morphe foundation. I put everything back in the packaging for you guys, but I already used everything just now. So yeah, the foundation is kind of light on me. I might return it and get a different shade, or I don't know. I don't know what their return policy is, but I might just get a different shade because this is kind of too light for me. So maybe like the golden shade right after this. It's funny because we tried it in store and it looked fine, but I guess because the lighting is different, I don't know. I gotta see this in like different lighting, because on camera right now I look like a ghost. which is funny because I put so much bronzer on my face today, guys, you have no idea. Anyways, this is the matte fluidity matte foundation, full coverage foundation. I don't know if it's full coverage, but anyways, my skin really hates this right now too, so we'll try again one more time tomorrow maybe, and we'll see if I will keep it or I'll change the shade, or I'll let you guys know. But right now I really hate this right now. Next thing is the concealer. I got concealer right here, concealer number C2.35. I do like this. This is also the fluidity full coverage concealer, so I guess this goes well with the foundation. I love the concealer. I love the concealer. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna keep the concealer for sure. A little bit goes a long way, so it's gonna last me for a very long time. I was kind of scared actually, because it's kind of like drying. I tried it in store as well. Oh, something I wanted to tell you guys about the employees at my store at Ala Moana, because that's the only store that has Morphe. That's the only mall that has Morphe right now. So we went to the Ala Moana shopping center, went to Morphe, and I tried to get somebody to match shade me. So this very like very you know, nice girl helped me out, and I picked this up, and she picked like two other shades that's like darker than this, but I liked this, so she tried it under my contour, and I liked it in store. I'm like, yeah, it's fine. And she's like, you know, if it's too white, then you can always use bronzer to darken it up and blah blah blah. I'm like, yeah, that's right. And then she had to go somewhere. I think she had to take her break or something, so somebody had to take over. So she lined up like 3 dots of foundation, and then she put the concealer underneath it, like on the bottom, like in a flat surface, you know, those makeup artist tray. And the other person came. She already, the previous makeup artist already tried the concealer on this side of my eyes, and then the other lady came, and then I just continued whatever she did on this side of my eyes. And the other lady came and she goes, hi, what's going on? I'm like, oh, I'm just trying to finish this up because she already did this eye. And I'm like, I'm trying out the concealer. And she's like, oh, okay. And then she went and grabbed some powder. And then she's like, okay, let me take over. And then I told her, these 3 dots are foundation. This is the concealer. I'm trying to do the concealer under my eyes. She didn't listen to me. So you know what she did? She put the foundation, and she put a thick foundation under both my eyes. It looked good under the lighting they had in store, but when I came home and I looked on the lighting, I'm like, oh my gosh, what's going on here? You know, like, you can tell it's a foundation that she just thickened up and put it under my eyes, even though I told her the concealer was underneath and these are the foundations. Anyways, that was a funny story. But anyways, I bought that anyways. I bought the foundation and the concealer because I liked it, not so much because she did it on me. But I liked the previous makeup artist better, and when I was about to leave, then the other makeup artist came back. So I guess she went on break or something. That was hilarious. Anyways, side story. But yeah, I have the concealer and the foundation. And I also bought this. This is the lipstick I'm wearing today. This is the Nibble by Morphe. You know, one thing about this lipstick, this liquid lipstick, it's a matte liquid lipstick. I don't know why, but I feel like I can't see. Oh, Nibble. Okay. When I first looked at it, I'm like, where's the reference? But yeah, Nibble is the name. And then last but not least, I have finally, guys, I have my Jaclyn Hill palette. Jaclyn Hill Fit Morphe palette. This is my first Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. What I mean is, I never had a Jaclyn Hill anything before. If you guys don't know, I actually sell makeup, authentic makeup in Madagascar, because a lot of people there sell like fake makeup, so I wanted to sell the authentic one. So anyways, I'm one of the few. Anyways, so yeah, I've seen this before in person, but this is my first one. I don't have any Jaclyn Hill anything. Anyways, I'm so excited. So excited. Look at her picture in the back. Oop, I have lipstick on the. Look at her picture, so beautiful in the back. Thanks, son. I'm so excited. I'm obviously wearing it right now. I don't know if my eyelashes are doing some funky stuff, but yeah, I'm wearing it like right now, and I love it, you guys. I see what everybody has been talking about. I see it. I can see it. I love this palette so much. I think I'm not gonna buy any makeup palettes anymore for the rest of the year. The year is gonna end anyways, but you know what I mean. I'm not gonna buy any makeup palettes for a while, because what I have right now is a very good collection in my eyes, in my heart, in my mind. And I'm gonna have a baby soon too, so I don't need to buy anything for myself anymore. But I love this palette. You should go and check it out. At least go to like a Ulta or Morphe store and swatch it, because it's amazing. It's an amazing palette. Alrighty, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, today is the first time I ever worn lashes, false lashes. Do you like it? Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Very, you know, tiny Morphe haul. Everything was under $100, which is very good, actually. Very affordable makeup, except for this one. This one was $38, I believe, but other than that, everything was very affordable. The foundation was expensive too, so probably will return that. Anyways, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check me out in my social media. If I'm not on YouTube, I'm always there, and we can catch up and chit chat over there. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.